How can you climb? How can you drink that water? Because water is very cold. Please.
Okay, thank you, Ayush, for sharing that. Can I request Harsh and then Afreen to share?
Megha Pramar explain us that what happened when we climb the Everest
And
explain that how difficult is to climb Everest.
May I go to washroom?
yes, Mustaqim, please come back in a minute, okay? Afreen, share quickly. 30 seconds.
Didi, Shirin Didi come and tell us she has small hair so that everyone was teasing her. You are
Yes.
boy because she has small hair. And Medha Parmar Didi, she climbed Mount Everest. She tell about her story, how everyone was saying to her, you cannot do it. With Bhaiya about him, she cook food. She loved to cook food, but everyone thinks only girls can cook food, boys cannot.
Thank you so much, Afreen. That was a very nice summary of the entire discussion that we did with all three people. Then we did a live drama with some bhaiyas and didis, and we happened to discuss with them also. Anybody else? Anybody else remembers from this drama? What did we learn? What did we discuss? From this Khusur Pusur drama? Yes, Raj, share. Raj, your voice is a little feeble. Now it's good.
Didi, the bhaiya tell to not say anyone what you talking.
Okay. Yes, खुसुर पुसुर मतलब कि हमको एक दूसरे की छोटी छोटी बातों पे ध्यान नहीं देना चाहिए और किसी के बारे में खुसुर पुसुर नहीं करना चाहिए. That's what you mean to say, Raj?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Anything you would like to add? All right. Let's move ahead. Freya Didi, one more thing that we did. Okay, so with Freya Didi in RC class, we did Rainbow Girls and Rainbow Boys worksheet. Anybody who would want to add or share their point here? I am tagging Sunny over here. Freya Didi is also tagging Sunny. Sunny, do you like to share? Sunny, can you hear Didi? I think Sunny has some internet problem. Anybody else would like? Okay, Sunny, we are asking, do you remember anything from this worksheet that you did with Freya Didi in an RC class?
Yes, a little bit.
Share.
We were watching. We were looking pictures up, and we were discussing about it.
What were we discussing about?
Yeah. Girls having no hair.
Correct. And what was our conclusion? What did we conclude from our discussion? And what did we understand from our discussion?
We didn't know that one.
Okay. Anybody who would like to help Sunny with what did we understand from the discussion when we saw pictures of girls having no hair on their head? Yasmin, do you like to share? Yasmin,
Yes.
would you like to share?
Yes, Didi. I said that the Meda Meda Didi, Meda no Didi. That what has
Megha?
Meda,
Huh.
that he crossed the mountain, and that her families say that her family is very very proud of her family too, because of she will get the permission for us family.
Thank you, Yasmin, for sharing that. Afreen, whatever you want to share, please share on the chat. Now we will move ahead to what we are going to discuss in today's class. Ready? Yes. So in today's learning circle, what we are going to be discussing about gender stereotype. Before that, we need to know gender kya hota hai. All right. So
Palak
there is
Didi, I'm
something
very sorry to cut you, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students who don't, 6 students who don't have their cameras on. So I think it's not fair that we continue talking and Preeti, Shivshesh, Mustaqim keep their cameras on, right? Thank you, Preeti. Waiting
Yes.
for Mustaqim and Shivshesh to keep their cameras on.
I am in the
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Mustaqim. Shivshesh. Sorry, continue.
Yeah. So there's something like sex, okay, which is something that we are born with. जब हम छोटे से बड़े होते हैं, तो हम जब हम born होते हैं, तब we are born as either a girl or a boy, okay? तभी हम या तो गर्ल होते हैं या बॉय, बट जेंडर इज नॉट लाइक दैट, ओके? जेंडर का मीनिंग होता है समथिंग दैट यू आइडेंटिफाई, जो हमारी आइडेंटिटी होती है. Do you know the meaning of identity? Identity.
no.
Okay. Anybody here who knows the
No.
meaning of identity? आइडेंटिटी का मतलब होता है कि हम अपने आप को कैसे पहचानते हैं, ओके? हाउ डू वी लुक एट आवरसेल्व्स व्हेन वी लुक इन द मिरर? डू वी लुक एट आवरसेल्व्स लाइक अ बॉय? डू वी look at ourselves like a girl? Ayush, when you look into mirror, how do you look at yourself as?
Like how did I look?
Okay, so how do you look like?
Boy.
Okay. Sometimes what happens is people like to express themselves. उनको अपने आप को कुछ अलग तरह से दिखाना पसंद होता है, ठीक है? Sometimes girls like to wear boys clothes. Sometimes boys like to wear girls clothes and do some makeup and like doing things, okay? And it is their choice. So gender सबकी choice के ऊपर depend करता है. How they're liking it, how they want to be. And this is something, sex is something you're born with. आप गर्ल या बॉय की तरह born होते हो. So gender is your choice. जैसे आप बड़े होते जाते हो तो आपको जो करना पसंद होता है, that you do, and that is your choice that you make. Okay. So what has happened in the past? What has happened in the past? Freddy, can you move ahead? So there has been a lot of gender stereotype. Okay, there has been a lot of gender stereotype. Stereotype का मतलब क्या होता है? अभी हमने gender का meaning समझा. Can I request Imran to share the meaning of gender? Imran, share the meaning of gender.
Gentleman.
Mantasha, would you like to give it a try and help Imran? Mantasha, you're on mute.
Yes. Gender meaning.
Didi, I share on chat.
Thank you, Ayush.
Didi, it correct.
Yes. Mantasha, share. Please continue to share.
Okay. Gender meaning to
Two.
like our choice
Hmm.
and how how like our choice that what we have to wear like and what we have to do like that.
Very good. Choice and how do we identify? कैसे हम अपने आप को पहचानते हैं और कैसे हम अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं? Identify and express. I see few people have already raised hand, but I would want to move ahead because there is a lot of things that we are going to be discussing. Now we will be discussing about stereotype. Stereotype क्या होता है? Stereotype. Stereotype. Stereotype का मतलब होता है कुछ ऐसे आइडियाज जो लोग बिलीव करते हैं अगर आप एक ग्रुप को बिलोंग करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ऑल गर्ल्स लाइक पिंक कलर. ये एक स्टीरियोटाइप है कि सारी लड़कियों को पिंक कलर पसंद होता है, पर जरूरी नहीं है. श्रेया दीदी को कोई और कलर पसंद होगा, पलक दीदी को कोई और कलर पसंद होगा. पलक दीदी लाइक्स येलो कलर. व्हाट कलर डू यू लाइक, जोया?
I like color red.
Red color. See, Zoya likes red color. Priya Didi, click.
Didi, I also like yellow color.
Wow,
My
very
favorite
nice.
color is yellow.
Very nice. Now, a lot of people think that that boys cannot cry, men cannot cry. That is not good for boys to cry and express their emotions like that. It is a gender stereotype. ऐसा थोड़ी ना है कि अगर आप boy हो तो आप रो नहीं सकते. You cannot express your emotions out. Priya Didi, click. So stereotype are the ideas that you want to, that people believe together. ठीक है, people एक साथ believe करते हैं and that is not true for everybody. सबके लिए वो same नहीं हो सकता. People believe it क्योंकि किसी ने पूछा नहीं कि ऐसा क्यों है. Nobody asked why girls like pink color. Nobody asked why boys cannot cry. Nobody asked why girls should play with only dolls and not with guns also. All right. Move to next slide. All right. Can you also think of any gender stereotype like how we discussed right now? I want two people to share their responses. Everybody else, type your response in the chat box.
Didi, what can you repeat?
Okay, we are going to be thinking about examples of gender stereotype. Gender stereotype यानी कि अगर आप बॉय हो तो आप कुछ सर्टेन चीजें करोगे, अगर आप गर्ल हो तो आप कुछ सर्टेन चीजें करोगे. And Freya Didi like to add something. Yes, Freya Didi, share.
Didi, return bolo.
Yes. Sahil, don't worry. We'll get back to that. Before I share, Suhani, Suhani, can you please switch on your camera? We're not sharing any. Suhani, Mantasha, please switch on your camera. Thank you so much, Suhani. Waiting for Mantasha. Thank you so much, Mantasha. So till now with Palak Didi, we learned about a few new words. The first one was the difference between sex and gender. Anyone? Preeti, I see your hand raised from since a long time. Do you want to say, share anything that you know about sex or gender?
Gender mean and identify, and sex mean I don't know.
All right. So identify, okay. And sex means, so when a baby is born, okay, जब एक बच्चा पैदा होता है, there are two options for that baby. I see your Ayush hand raised like this. Yes, Ayush, I will definitely give you chance, promise. So when a baby is born, there are two options for that baby. Either the baby is a boy or the baby is a girl, right? जब बच्चा पैदा होता है, यही दो options होते हैं. So that is sex. Whether the baby that is just newly born is a boy or a girl is the sex of a child. So sex of a child is what they are born with. Zoya, can you read what is sex? Zoya, can you read what is sex?
Yes. Sex of child is what they born with ना.
Meaning?
मतलब जो बच्चा पैदा होता है तो उसके दो ही स्पॉन्ट होते हैं.
Right. What are the two options?
ये लड़की है क्या लड़का?
Correct. उनको दो words और बोलते हैं, male यानी कि boy and girl, female यानी कि girl. All right. Okay. Clear? Now gender, just Ayush. Okay, chalo Ayush, give me 30 seconds. Quickly share. Jay, can you sit in smart position?
Didi, gender meaning that what our choice when we
say correct. When we become
big.
When we become older, then what is our choice? हो सकता है कि फ्रेया दीदी पैदा जब हुई थी, she was a girl, right? She was a female when she was born, but when she grew up, she started to realize कि मुझे लड़का जैसा फील होता है या मुझे लड़कों जैसी हरकतें करनी पसंद है और मुझे लड़कियों जैसी चीजें नहीं पसंद है. So what do I identify with? Or what choice of sex do I identify with? What is the choice of sex do I identify with? Jay, share. Why are you raising hand? And please sit in smart position, Baba. Hai na? I am not sitting like that. No, so you will also not sit like that. Learning position will sit. Share.
I submit come.
Sorry?
I submit come.
1 minute. Quickly come back. All right. Imran, tell me, sex और gender के बीच में क्या difference होता है? What is the difference now?
Sex mean sex of a child is what they are born with.
Meaning?
बच्चा पैदा कैसे हुआ है, लड़की या लड़का?
Correct. That is sex, है ना? Male या female. But gender क्या होता है फिर?
Choice of sex do I identify with.
Meaning?
Choice of sex.
मतलब कि जब मैं बड़ी हो गई तो मेरा क्या choice है कि मैं लड़की हूँ या लड़का हूँ? What do I identify with? Understood, Imran?
Yes.
So a child may be born as a boy, but when they grow up, they realize that they don't want to identify themselves as a boy. They want to identify themselves as a girl. Here, just how sex में there were only two options, male, female. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे options होते हैं. यहाँ पे होता है male, यहाँ पे होता है female, and there is something called trans. Trans meaning someone who was say born as a boy, but बाद में जाके वो girl हो गया. या someone who was born as a girl, जो बाद में जाके boy हो गया. All right, or someone who doesn't identify with any of these two things. कि मुझे लड़का जैसा भी नहीं रहना, गर्ल जैसा भी नहीं रहना, मुझे जैसा अपने जैसा रहना है. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऑप्शन होते हैं. आपको दो बकेट में ऐसे जबरदस्ती नहीं बांधा जाता है, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है, विकास, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेक्स एंड जेंडर?
This gender is our own choice.
And sex is? Sex में do you have a choice?
Didi, in that, that is
Do you
what
get
they
the
are
choice
born
to
with.
choose your? Do you get the choice to choose your sex when you are born?
No.
No, right? वो हम जैसे पैदा होते हैं वैसे ही पैदा होते हैं, right? Now Didi also taught about a new word, stereotype. Anyone remembers anything about this word, stereotype? Anyone? Mustaqim, silent. Please sit in a silent place. I'm going to ask you next, so be ready, okay? Anyone remembers? Apsari and Vaishnavi, I'm going to ask you as well, so be ready. Stereotype. Puneet, do you remember anything?
Oh, जी,
Okay, Aryan?
I forgot.
No problem, Aryan.
Didi, I also not know about stereotype.
Okay, Afreen is raising her hand. Let's give her a chance. No problem if you don't remember. We'll repeat it for you. That's why we are here. Yes, Afreen? Quickly, huh, Afreen? Quickly.
Girl do and what's boy like to do.
हाँ जबरदस्ती जब सोसाइटी ऐसे बोल देती है all girls like pink, all girls play with dolls, boys don't cry, right? Couple of things जैसे जबरदस्ती सच नहीं भी होता है पर जबरदस्ती बोल देते हैं all girls like pink. Is it true? All girls like pink. True or false?
False.
False, right? But everyone will say all girls like pink. Boys do not cry or boys should not cry. They are strong.
False.
False.
False, right? But सब ऐसा बोलते हैं ना? सब ऐसे बोलते हैं कि नहीं? Now, boys should play with cars. Girls should play with dolls. True or false? False. What if Harsh wants to play with a doll? His choice, right? But everyone will say ना कैसी लड़की वाली हरकत कर रहा है, right? So that is a stereotype. That is a stereotype. Mantasha, can you tell me what is a stereotype? Any example or anything that you have understood from what we are discussing?
I like pink color. I don't like pink color. And
Yeah.
I also cry.
Yes, beautiful, Mantasha. Yes, Ayush.
And everyone say boys cannot they were strong, but they can also cry.
Right.
And
Aryan, yes. Go ahead. Continue. Finish your sentence. Yes.
girls like to play with doll, but they also can play with guns.
Beautiful, Ayush. Preeti is raising hand. Preeti, go ahead. I would
I
also
like to
love
play
to see
with
your
the-
face, Preeti. Thank you so much. Yes. Say.
I like to play with robot cars.
Yeah, but they will say na कि लड़के खेलते हैं and you girls should play with dolls. People say or not?
They will say.
Right?
We don't have to mind it.
Yeah, we don't have to listen to it. That's a stereotype they have. I will do what I want because my choice, my life, my choice. Right? Now, Aryan, do you know what stereotype is? Aryan? Aryan?
They won't believe.
Mustaqim, what is a stereotype?
What did it?
What is stereotype? What am I talking about? Anything that you remember?
That the girl and the boy is not. The boy don't have to the blue only color. He likes to the pink and any color.
Correct. Mustaqim, this call will end at 1 o'clock and then you can leave. All right. I know you have madrasa, but you can leave at 1 o'clock. Aryan, what is stereotype? Aryan? Unmute yourself, Baba. Okay, till Aryan is coming. Puneet?
Didi, I can't hear you.
Puneet, what is stereotype?
All girls not be a boy. He was not
इन हिंदी हिंदी में बताओ क्या बताना चाह रहे हो.
दीदी उन लोग है ना बॉयज की तरह नहीं होते, उन लोग का अपना खुद का हो रहता है.
राइट. उनकी चॉइस होती है, वो डॉल्स के साथ खेले, कार्स के साथ खेले या ना खेले, उनकी मर्जी. बट जब लोग ऐसा कहते हैं कि ये करना चाहिए क्योंकि लड़की ऐसे, लड़कियों को खाना बनाना सीखना चाहिए, ट्रू और फॉल्स? सीखना चाहिए, ट्रू और फॉल्स?
फॉल्स.
सबको सीखना चाहिए, राइट? एवरीवन शुड लर्न हाउ टू कुक, व्हाई जस्ट गर्ल्स? है ना? बॉयज को ड्राइविंग करनी आनी चाहिए, ट्रू और फॉल्स?
फॉल्स.
व्हाई हर्ष, व्हाई फॉल्स?
Because we all can learn to drive, learn for driving.
Correct. Boys should be strong, they should do exercise. Vikas, true or false? Why?
Because everyone can exercise.
Everyone should be strong, everyone should do exercise. Strong होना तो सबको जरूरत है, right? So, but all of these things that people say is a stereotype, right? If you want, you can take a screenshot of the screen. I'm going to wait for 10 seconds and then you will all take your own 30 seconds to think of one stereotype. Okay, one stereotype.
Didi, can I share?
1 minute, Baba. Let everyone share. Let everyone take some time. So what Palak Didi was saying you then is, can you also think of example of gender stereotype कि ये लड़की वाले काम है, वो लड़के वाले काम है, ऐसे और क्या बोलते हैं लोग? Take your own time. All right. Zoya, what are we doing now?
Didi,
Yes.
is thing to example लड़की क्या बोलते हैं और लड़के क्या बोलते हैं.
Stereotype. जो लोग कहते हैं कि ये लड़कियों वाले काम है, वो लड़कियों वाले काम है, ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए, but actually that's false. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, so all of us are taking 30 seconds to think and then we will share. Everyone has to think of one example. I see already many hands raised. Vikas is ready, Afrin is ready, Harsh is ready, Ayush is ready, many people are ready. So think कि ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं कि ये लड़कियों वाले काम है, वो लड़कों वाले काम है. Palak Didi will randomly ask anyone, someone who has not shared till now. Palak Didi, you can
Yes.
take over.
All right. I want Uzra to share one stereotype because I have not heard from Uzra yet. Uzra, share.
Yes, Didi.
Share one gender stereotype that you can think of.
What, Didi?
Uzra, do you know what we are doing? अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं?
Yes, Didi.
So can you also share your example?
Yes, Didi.
That's what Palak Didi is asking you. Say.
Didi, girl, did I speak Hindi?
No, Uzra, no. Try. Mix Hindi, English both, but try.
Didi, girls are not.
Uzra, Baba, you switch off your camera. I think you're having internet problem. Camera off करके बात करो. Yes, now say.
Didi, girls are.
चलो share
Yes, in Hindi.
चलो ठीक है. Say.
दीदी, गर्ल्स को गर्ल्स को भी बाहर ना, वो गर्ल्स को भी बाहर काम करने जाना चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं कि घर में बिठा दो.
Beautiful example, Uzra. Girls should also go out and work. उनको घर पे बैठ के नहीं. That's beautiful example. Love it. Palak Didi, I will type on screen. You choose anyone else.
Oh, all right.
Okay.
Thank you.
हाँ ठीक है.
Next, I want to hear from Ibrahim because Ibrahim is also.
Sorry.
Next, I want to hear from Ibrahim because Ibrahim has also not shared yet. Ibrahim, are you there? Ibrahim. Okay, I think Ibrahim is not there. Rehan, are you there? All right, Rehan and Ibrahim, once you are here, I want you to type your answers in the chat box. And in the between, I want
sir.
all the people who have raised their hand, please type your answers in the chat box. I'm reading the chat box as well. All right. Shivshesh, share.
Yes, teacher.
Shivshesh, share. Do you know what we're doing?
Yes.
Shivshesh,
शिवशेष, we can't hear you, Baba. If you are using an earphone, उसको निकाल दो. हमें आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Till then, maybe someone else can share. Can't hear you, Baba. आपकी
Yasmin.
वकील की आवाज आ रही है. शिवशेष, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Write on chat, शिवशेष. Yasmin,
type your answer in the chat box. Yasmin, please share. Yasmin.
They are sent in chat.
Okay. Thank you, Vikas.
The answer on chat.
Yasmin, can you hear Didi? Yasmin, can you hear Didi? What is happening?
What, Didi?
Can you share one example, Yasmin?
The girls were cooking inside for home. That is okay for us. That also go the outside and cook for us.
Okay, so you're saying that instead सिर्फ घर में पकाना जरूरी नहीं है, they can also go outside and cook for others. Thank you so much, Yasmin, for sharing that. I am seeing a lot of responses in the chat box also. Thank you, Aryan, Harsh, Imran, Vikas, to share. Preeti, can I request you to come off mute and share?
Didi, when boys cook food, so many people say that OMG boys is cooking food and they laugh on them, so they feel very bad. But we does not have to mind on that they are saying.
So, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Preeti. Zoya has shared her
I did
personal
not understand what
experience
Preeti
in
shared.
the chat box.
I did not understand what Preeti shared. Preeti, can you repeat, Baba, in simple language? Say again.
Didi,
Preeti, can you
when
explain to
boys-
Freya Didi?
when boys cook food, so many people think that boys is cooking food, and they laugh on them and they tease them, so they feel very bad, but we does not have to mind on that they are saying.
Understood. Okay.
Today I also chat in chat box.
Same. Preeti and Mantasha have very same thoughts. Okay.
I also.
Puneet,
Okay.
can I request you to come off mute and share?
Yes, Didi.
Say,
Didi, the boy that is police, then the girl also bring to police because she also catch a chore.
wow, that is amazing. Girls can also be brave and become police officers.
Yeah, that.
Alright.
My please.
Yes, Ayush has seen your response. Harsh has seen your response.
Her share off mute.
Teacher, my response is that everyone says that only girls should shy, and it is false.
Beautiful. Correct. Girls should be shy, but it's false.
What did you say? I didn't understand.
Harsh, repeat for Sunny.
Harsh, also explain a little so that everybody understands.
My response is everyone says that only girls should shy, but it's false.
Why is it false?
Explain shy. A lot of people don't know the meaning of shy in our class. Can you explain what is shy?
Shy means to be embarrassed.
Or sharmana, to be shy, to be sharmana, not just embarrassed. Beautiful, Rehan.
My face.
Many people say girls do not drive. That's okay. Girls should not go to other states and do hard work. That's also beautiful. Thank you everyone for sharing. Palak Didi, I think rest we can take up next. I think this was only enough for today. What do you think?
Can't see my.
Yes. Now we
I
can
can
move
see
ahead.
yours, Ayush. Next, again, in some days, we will meet again and discuss why. Ayush, say, Baba, what do you want to say? Say. Okay. Again, in a few days, we will meet and understand. But लोग ऐसा बोलते क्यों हैं? ये stereotypes है तो है क्यों? ये सब where is it coming from? Why are people talking like this? Why do people say
Didi will meet at tomorrow.
tomorrow is Sunday? Maybe Monday we can do this. I think Monday is doable.
Yes.
Okay, so Monday we will come together. Palak Didi, Monday doable?
Yes, Monday is doable because we'll only have 2 Zoom calls.
दीदी मंडे को आना है स्कूल.
Yes. No, 3:30 p.m. we are meeting on Zoom call on Monday and discussing. But why do people think like this? Why do people talk like this? All right. Till then, thank you everyone for engaging, for giving your answers. Yes.
Please remember about the meaning of gender, the meaning of stereotype. If you want to know more, please ask Palak Didi and Freya Didi about it. If you want to know more and understand more, please ask us.
Or you know what? Everyone go to Google or go to YouTube and write gender stereotype. Okay, we will give you the spelling on WhatsApp group. Everyone go to YouTube and write gender stereotype and watch YouTube videos on gender stereotype. All right, this is your homework for Saturday, Sunday. You're going to read and watch more videos on gender stereotype. We'll give you more information on WhatsApp group. Don't worry.
Didi,
Yes, Jay.
on 3:30 there are online class
No.
today.
No, today, no more classes today.
I have drama class at 3 o'clock.
Okay, all the best for that. You can all leave. Bye-bye.
Today, bye, Didi. Bye.
Bye.
Today I want to ask you something.
Please ask. Mantasha, no homework today, Baba. Yes, Preeti, ask.
But Didi, did you call me in school? I want to meet you and Palak Didi.
Done. Promise. Also, do you know,
When
Preeti,
you-
that I am leaving? Leaving after grade 5, you know that?
No.
Yes, I am. I am
Why?
leaving. Because I was only here for 2 years. Just how Priyanka Didi was there for 3rd standard and 4th standard. I was there for 4th standard and 5th standard. So I promise I will meet you before I go. And I will bring Palak Didi also. Palak Didi and I will come to meet you. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. I will speak to all of you one by one in March and April. Everyone. I will leave no one. Yes, Ayush.
Okay, bye Didi.
Bye, Baba.
Bye.